Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to download Windows 11 ISO file, and I will also show you how to make a Windows 11 bootable pen drive. So for this what you have to do is you have to go to the browser, and in the search bar you have to type Windows 11 download, and after this just hit enter. Now just click on this first link, download Windows 11 Microsoft. Now scroll down. So you will see this create Windows 11 installation media. Now what you have to do is you have to download this software. So just click on this download now button. So let me just paste it on the desktop. And now what you have to do is just double click on it to run it. Click on yes. Now just click on accept button. Now make sure that it is showing Windows 11 in the edition, and after this just click on the next button. Now just select this second option, ISO file. After this what you have to do is just click on the next button to download the Windows 11 ISO file. I will not click on this next button as I have already downloaded the Windows 11 ISO file. So here it is. So it will take around half an hour to download the Windows 11 ISO file. After you have downloaded the Windows 11 ISO file, just close this window. And now what we will do, we will make a bootable pen drive. So for this what you have to do is just go to the browser, and in the search bar just type Rufus download, Rufus download, and after this just hit enter. Now just click on this first link, Rufus create bootable USB. Now scroll down and click on this link, Rufus 3.15. So let me just paste it on the desktop. After this what you have to do is just double click on this Rufus application. Click on yes. Now what you have to do is you have to insert a minimum 8 GB pen drive in your system. So why I am saying minimum 8 GB pen drive? Because the size of the Windows 11 ISO file is 5 GB. So now I am going to insert my pen drive. So you can see that it has automatically detected my pen drive. So whatever your pen drive is, just select it. After this what you have to do is just click on the select button and just select your Windows 11 ISO file. So just double click on it. So our Windows 11 ISO file is now selected, and now what you have to do is you have to select partition scheme. And now I will tell you how to select this partition scheme. And now what you have to do is you have to go to the system or the laptop on which you are going to install the Windows 11 with the help of this bootable pen drive. And on that system you have to check the partition style of the hard drive. So what you have to do is just go to that system, go to search bar, and then just type computer management. So it is already showing in the search result. Just click on it, computer management, and now just select disk management, and now just select the hard drive of that system. So it will be disk 0. So just click on it, right click over it and click on properties. Now go to the volumes tab and just check the partition style. So in my case it is GPT. Now just close this window and under partition scheme just select GPT. Now if in your system the partition style of the hard drive is MBR, then just select MBR option. After this, what you have to do is just click on the start button, click on OK button, and now the process has started. So just wait for it to complete, and after it is completed, your pen drive will become a bootable pen drive, and you can use it to install Windows 11 on any system. So this is how you can download a Windows 11 ISO file and make a bootable pen drive. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.